In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Beats Fit Pro. So each of them has a battery inside, and to charge them, you just need to place them inside of the case. But the case itself has a battery that you need to charge. So how do you do this? Well, it doesn't have any wireless charging, so you can't just place it on a charging mat to charge. All you have to do is on the back here, you see there's a USB Type-C port. And in the box, you should have this that came in the box. They gave you a very small, very tiny USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't know why they did this. This is pretty small. So if you can find another one and you don't need an Apple or a Beats one, you can get these from, you see this one, I got it from Amazon. I will just put a link in the description if you want a longer cable. And what you need to do is connect one side, okay, one side to the USB-C port. So just plug it in like this. And the other side, you'll need a power brick to plug it into your wall. So you'll need any power brick like this one that has a USB Type-C port. Okay, so it can match and fit this way, and the other part you plug it into a wall. The Beats Fit Pro don't come with this power brick or whatever you want to call it. You really need to buy it separately. And again, I'll put a link in the description where to find one on Amazon. It's a shame. I wish it came with one, but they stopped doing this. So once it's charged up, you should see the light here. Whoops, on the front, yes. There's a small LED. Right now it's red. When it's charging, it should be red because it's not full. And when it's done, it should turn to white. Or it should not have any LED. This is how you know that they are charged. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please like, subscribe, and why not leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.